HDFC Housing Development Finance Corporation, HDI Human Development Index, HSBC Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, HP Horsepower, HAWS High Altitude Warfare School, HCL Hindustan Computers Limited, HDTV High Definition Television, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTML Hypertext Markup Language, HIV Human Immunodeficiency Virus, HR Human Resources, HTC High Tech Computer, HDD Hard Disk Drive, HAL Hardware Abstraction Layer, HDMI High Definition Media Interface, HPFS High Performance File System, HUDCO Housing and Urban Development Corporation, HMT Hindustan Machine Tools, HCF Highest Common Factor, HMS Hybrid Mail Service, HVDC High Voltage Direct Current, HSC Higher Secondary Certificate, HD High Definition, ICOM Intermediate of Commerce, IC Intermediate of Science, IA Intermediate of Arts, IS Indian Administrative Service, ICU Intensive Care Unit, IFS Indian Forest Service or Indian Foreign Service, IIT Indian Institute of Technology, ISM Indian School of Mines, IMF International Monetary Fund, IMPS Immediate Payment Service, India independent nation declared in August, IPL Indian Premier League, IPO Indian Postal Order or Initial Public Offering, IQ Intelligence Quotient, IPPB India Post Payment Bank, IPS Indian Police Service, IRS Indian Revenue Service, ISRO Indian Space Research Organization, IT Information Technology, ITI Industrial Training Institute, IST Indian Standard Time, ICMR Indian Council of Medical Research, IBPS Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, ISO International Organization for Standardization, ISD International Subscribing Dialing, IP Information Practices, IFSC Indian Financial System Code. IFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. IGNO, Indira Gandhi National Open University. IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. IE, id East means for example in maths. ICICI Bank, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. ICC, International Cricket Council. ILO, International Labour Organization.